Congrats on your new Alen filter replacement. Here's how to install it and get your Alen running again in just a few minutes. Start by popping off the front panel of your Alen, then remove and dispose of your old filter. Next, unwrap your new filter and insert it into your Alen. Make sure to follow the arrows on your filter and ensure the pre-filter is facing you when you insert. The filter light indicator on your Alen will reset to green automatically when a new, genuine Alen filter is inserted, but some older purifiers may require a manual reset. To manually reset, hold down the filter button on your Alen until the light resets to green. It should take about 5 seconds. Thanks to Alen's smart RFID filters, you can track your remaining filter life in the Alen Air app. We'll send you a notification when it's time to replace your filter. Plus, you can save on every filter replacement and protect your forever guarantee when you sign up for a filter subscription. We'll automatically send you a new genuine Alen filter at a cadence that works for you, and you'll earn 100 reward points with every delivery. Set up your subscription at alen.com. That's it, you're done. Thanks for purchasing a genuine Alen filter and enjoy your utopia.